Okay, now from a management point of view, knowing Uyanga, what will it take to get him to lift the WBC international title?
Well, Uyanga just has to do what he does best. Uyanga, first and foremost, has to be comfortable. That means he has to fight style sakhe. He doesn't have to change. The moment he changes, he steps out of his comfort zone. That's where he could experience problems. But in order for him to win this fight, he has to fight the way Uyanga, the way And Uyanga is slick. He's quick on his feet, he's quick on his hands, and Agabi take. So that's exactly what he has to do, especially against a boxer from the Philippines. Because he has near pressure most years, and there is this fight. And that makes him very suitable for him.
Okay, now the initial weigh-in is within the limit. Between now and the 27th of July, what's the program? What are we working on?
The weight is not necessarily a problem for Uyanga because they are 56. So really, it's just have to work on the fight plan. Emphasis from now on is on the fight plan and the fitness. Because fitness because since he's fighting April, he's always been in the gym. But with the emphasis.